Hi and welcome to a very cold, dark and wet January. This month seems to be hanging on, doesn't it? And hopefully we've got a little bit more warmer weather to look forward to. But today I'm just popping out because I need some nails done, because I'm popping into Chichester with Sue tomorrow to have a nice lunch at the Ivy in Chichester, a nice general walk around. So hopefully I can video some of that, and that will be following up shortly. But I thought I'd get out today because I'm feeling a little bit locked in and penned in with this weather. If it isn't raining, it's so dark you don't want to get out of bed. So depression is one of the things that I think a lot of us suffer from this time of the year. So the only thing we can do is make a big effort to get out and about, isn't it? So let's see how today pans out. That's the nails done, and I'm getting a little bit chilly, if I'm honest, walking around. So I'm going to pop into one of our local cafes and grab myself a hot drink just to warm the inside up a little bit. Relaxing, sitting in the park, hearing the birds in the background and watching the squirrels jumping around.